In response to the growing violence against Sufis in their dargahs, we did 2 nationwide Pakistan Qawwali peace tours in 2013 and 14. Having toured throughout Pakistan for more than a decade already, we had witnessed and felt firsthand the destruction and oppression imposed upon the Sufi way of life. It was therefore an important opportunity to rise above the fear and carry forward the empowering words of the Sufi masters, as well as building cultural connection across borders.
Making the 2 nationwide tours of Fanna, getting you on the road, that was the response to all these attacks on the Sufi dargahs and on the Sufi tradition.
As a half Pakistani, half North American Qawwali ensemble, we traversed the country on a rigorous schedule. Singing and speaking at colleges for women, orphanages, refugee schools, Hindu temples, consulates, universities, on national television, at gurdwaras, and of course the principal dargahs. Although not without its challenges, it was truly an honor to be called forward in this way.
And which it proved later that it was a good strategy to sing the songs of peace and love in those years when attacks on Sufis were at their peak.
It's the second time that we've invited Fanna to come and perform in a tour all across Pakistan, not just here in Islamabad, but starting off in Karachi, working all the way through Sindh, up into the Punjab, and then finally ending up here in Islamabad for the last couple of days of their tour.
I feel like it's a very necessary part of our humanity has fallen in the world. We've come so different, so many different ways, and I feel like these places are holding this essence, this thread of universal humanity, and I feel that tapping in, coming here is just such a blessing, and it really recharges my heart for hopes for humanity to become as one again.
And look how powerful that strategy has been, that you inspired the youth, especially when Amina was playing tabla. There were many girls probably who dreamed that a day will come when they might be able to become a tabla player.
और कैसे लगा प्रोग्राम हमारा?
Beautiful, and Sindh has been the cultural hub of Qawwali for many years, actually, and this land belongs to Qawwali. So that is why Qawwali is in our souls, but you integrated our souls. You touched our souls again, and you brought that souls out.
Your tour brought peace and awareness of peace, and a strength and conviction to all those who believe in peace, who believe in love, who believe in justice, who believe in light, who believe in compassion.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, ये सफ़र यहाँ ख़त्म नहीं होता। ये एक चौथी सी 8 घंटे की ख्वाहिश है दरवेशों की मौसीकी। 20 सालों की मैं रंग लाई और हमने रवायती सूफ़ी क़व्वाली को पेश किया। आप भी इस रूहानी फ़न का हिस्सा बने और मुकम्मल सीरीज़ हमारी वेबसाइट समर स्कूल ऑफ म्यूज़िक पे देखें। उम्मीद है कि रूहानी पैगाम पूरी दुनिया और इंसानियत तक पहुँचे। बहुत प्यार, आपका ताहिर क़व्वाल।